Alright, this one's for you 9th Gen Impala owners. In your trunk, has your light burnt out? You know, your little light right here, has it burnt out? Are you having trouble finding a replacement lamp for this light? Well, stick around and I'm going to show you a little upgrade you can do. It costs about 10 bucks. So here is this little light strip. I got it from Amazon. It was 10 bucks. Comes with connectors to splice into your trunk wiring. I will go ahead and cut it open, and there's one thing you're going to need to do. You know, it's optional, but I would strongly suggest you do this. This will work right out of the box. These little plugs right here will plug right into your Impala's harness. Right here. You're going to need to lay some hot glue and then wrap a little electrical tape around that, because these wires are real flimsy and they will break if you don't reinforce them. So fortunately for me, I got my hot glue gun going and I got some electrical tape. Also, I'm just going to score the tape right here too, because that'll prove to be a problem when you go to install it. Just want to make sure you got a break in the tape, so because you're going to wrap a thing of tape, electrical tape, around here. So I got the old glue gun fired up. You know, you could put silicone on here too, whatever. I'm just gonna, maybe if this thing works, I'm just gonna give it a little dab of hot glue right there. There it is. Just want to reinforce those wires. Take a little tension off it. So there, now that you see my hot glue's dried up, I just made a little strip of electrical tape, sliced it down the center, and I'm just gonna wrap this really tight. That will ensure that your wires go nowhere. Now they can flop around your trunk all they want and they will not break off. There's how she looks. There's the little connector. And for the next step, all you really need is a tiny flat blade screwdriver. You're going to leave the old light in the trunk. So now you're going to go up. Here's your light. And let me get the camera on the light here. Here's the light. You're going to put the new light back here. So let's turn you around here and look at where that's going to go. It's just going to go right on that inside edge. We're going to go ahead and get it in frame here. I'm just going to unplug this light. Just literally pry up on the tab, pull the connector out. She comes out. All right, let's look. So here's your connector. I'm going to put you on the tripod so you can see the in frame. We're just going to plug it in. This just plugs right in. There it is. See, if you go the other way, it will not light up. So plug that in. It doesn't have like a connector to hold it. So we're going to just wrap a little electrical tape around that. You know, you could also do this one after you install the light too, but works just as well. Okay, I went ahead and peeled the tape off of here. I'm going to crawl up in here. Partially, and God, this camera just isn't getting it. I'm just gonna stick it right here center it right by the old light, and we're gonna stick it right on the metal. Let's see what we can get here. Wow, I'm not getting any of this on camera. There it is, right there. See if I can get the camera to focus. There it is. And then I'm just gonna take this wiring, I'm just gonna put a little strip of tape and tape it right to the top of the trunk to keep it out of the way. Now if you can see that, I just put some tape across the wires and that puts it up out of the way. I will come back and show you how this looks at night. I just did that on my new Impala. I've had it on this one for a while. The trunk's open so the light isn't on. Oh yeah. Kind of flickering right now, but that tape's been holding for about 4 years, so it's a good little upgrade. Come back and show you what they look like at night. Alright, here I am in the dark. And let's pop that trunk and I'll show you the light. Look how bright that is. Look how well you can see in there. Oh, that is. And it's just right along the edge here. Right up, right here. That's where I installed it. So I just wanted to cut in here and say that I bought a bag of these little stick-on like hooks. And it came with some of these zip ties. I'm going to, instead of using that tape to hold up that cable, I'm just going to secure it with one of these. Be a little neater. So there we go. I know I got the light shining right on it, but it looks a lot neater than electrical tape. Block this light somehow so you can really get a good view of it. Here's that product again. It was only like 10 bucks from Amazon. Much easier than trying to find a replacement light bulb for that burnt out trunk light. So hey, give it a try. You're out 10 bucks, a little hot glue, little electrical tape. And if you do and you thoroughly enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, support the channel. Stay tuned for some upcoming videos. And thanks for visiting. We'll see you in the next one.